So, if you're removing your transmission from your Rocket 3 engine, you could be an idiot and buy these two tools, like I did, for like maybe $100 or something for the two of them. You could buy this one, the adapter, and make your own sliding hammer, or adapt it to it. You can make your own adapter. You could do all that and give it a gentle tap and the input shaft will come out. Or you could also do it this way. Grab that's third and fourth there, and give it and you're out. She would just slide out now. See? Or another way, if it's a little bit stiff, see these little M6 fellas here and here? You could turn it right in through them until they're finger tight against whatever they meet behind them, and just wind them individually, each one half turn, half turn, half turn, half turn, and that will jack this thing out. But I think the third and fourth method is good. Pro tip, bro.